Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create an account within a broker and how you make your personal account start trading from day one. So first of all, you have to go on Linktree. First of all, write Linktree dot/forex ustad. So that's the website which you open for the link. So link link tr.ee/forex ustad, right? Only, and you open a web page, and you have also web page of forexustad.com. But on the link tree specifically, you are seeing two links. First, open account with the website and open account with mobile. So if you are opening account on website, then you must click on the web portal, or you click on the mobile portal if you're creating account from mobile. So right now I am on the desktop. Click on the web link, Exness web link. Let me click and open the website. You see, open the website and click on the register link. Okay, because we don't have an account and we need to register a new personal area in Exness. They are going to verify we are human or we are a robot. Let me put my email address first, and then I'm going to put my password here, and that's it. They told us to post password with the special character, because if I'm the put the password Raheel 123, they don't accept. We need to put like that, Raheel. First word is a capital, and remaining then no problem, and we must put an special character in. For example, Raheel @123. So that's our password. That's a correct, and they accept our password. So that's how the password is going to work. They are open our personal area account, and now we are able to do trade on our demo account. As you see, they give us $1 lakh in our demo account, but we are not interested in demo account. We have to click on the real account. So let me open real account. Let us click real account. Whenever we click real account, redirect to the new website, and also they send us email as well. So as you see, we don't have any option to deposit right now from Pakistan. We must open all the option. That's why we need to complete our account. So click on the complete, and they said, first of all, you need to confirm your email, then confirm your mobile number, and last, add profile information. So these things we need to complete for the account confirmation. So first of all, we are going to verify our email. They are sending code on our email. So we got the email, and that's the code we need to put on the Exness portal, and here we go. We receive the confirmation our email is successfully verified. Now let me put my mobile number in, and if I go to the mobile, they send you on WhatsApp, or they send you the mobile SMS code. So you need to verify this, and yes, let me get I got the code on my mobile. And second, we need to put all our personal information. Let me put my name, Raheel Nawaz, and my date of birth, month, year, exact as mentioned. We have on our passport and NIC card. We need to put our date of birth with the date of place. I'm from Pakistan, it's male, and my complete address, which is mentioned on my passport or in my NIC or in my driving license. So let me put my home address, or whatever your address you have to put in. So first of all, let me correct my date of birth. Yes, okay, and click on the continue. Here we go. Now it's an interested part. They are asking you some of questions, so they know about you, how much knowledge you have about the forex trading. First of all, they ask you what is the purpose of opening account. So I said I am opening account for the speculation. And now they ask me what is your employment status. So I am a business owner, and my business industry is like a software house. So then they ask how much you want to invest, then how much your income, then they are asking what is your priority, how much you annually invest on Exness, or like that. So according to you, whatever is your personal investments or personal deposit, you just put all the information. What is your experience in CFD, how much trade you execute. I trade about more than 100, so I select 100. Okay, education, they're asking me education, they're asking me, oh, okay, it's a tricky part. If you don't know the answer, just copy and paste the question on Google, and you got the right answer from Google as well. So that's how they work. So I'm just no, they're asking, please read, consider your financial situation and the risk tolerance details. So we have to check all the three things for the opening of account. Please read everything carefully and click on submit. And now let me verify my identity. We have to post our documents in here. So let me click on verify. They are asking me about your document name. So we have to put our document name, which we mentioned already in our passport or driving license. My name is okay Rahil. Done. And now they are asking me for data agreement. They are asking us to select your country or region, or and also they are asking which type of document you are going to give us. So I am ID card front and back. I am going to give them. So if you have passport, you can also select the passport first. I'm going to select my document. Okay, I just upload my document, both documents, front and back, and here we go. They are going to proceed with the 3 to 7 minute, but usually they confirm you within 60 seconds usually. So no, alhamdulillah, we have verified account, and as you know, we got our real account. And if you don't know the password of real account, you need to click on the three dot toggle, and you need to set your investor password, change your trading password, or you need add account information. You want to get all the account like server name or login, or you can trade as well in your. Let me change my password first, because I don't know what they put my password. So I have to put password 8 to 15 character. First word is capital, and we also give them a special character as well. Now they send me message on WhatsApp, and we got the message as well. Say they're sending us email. Okay, we got the email, and let me put in it. Okay, copy and paste. No, we have password. But if you don't know, want to download metadata of 543, you just click on trade now, and you can trade on Exness web terminal as well. Like we have, let us trade on gold. Like you see 4,000 gold is right now. So that's how you can create your account, and that's how you verify your account, Exness account. And that's it. In next video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit and how to withdraw and how to execute trades. So see you the next video.